everybody. So today I'm gonna I'm gonna show you my new slime. So this is the container. It looked like a Barbie thing that it just opened, but that's not it. So let's show you my slime. I just buy it. No, I just make it. So look. So here's the slime. It's very sorry, we didn't see it. So it's very good slime. This is one of my favorite slime. So I'm gonna show you in this front. So you'll see my slime. It's very glossy and very so glittery. Look, even if there's glitter in my hand. And I love it. And we can also make swirly bit. And look. See? This glows on the dark. I made it and it's simple to make. I'll show you in my another video. But tomorrow is my school. Well, I just come from my school. I have to go to school tomorrow. I just have to go to school for 4 days. And I have holidays in 2 days and school again. It's boring to be in school. Because this is so boring. Ah! There's hair on my slime. Yuck. So, remember the question I tell you 3 or 4 times ago? It's so cool. When my birthday is in April, I am gonna show you my birthday party, and it's funny. It's funny. It's not funny. I was just joking. I'm just holding the camera because you can't see. Who is it? I don't see anyone. Well, the bell rings, but there's no one there. So, I don't know who is that, but it's kind of creepy because it was no one. I'm clearly sure, guys. There's no one. Sometimes that happens. So, like, sometimes that happened because I don't know why. Now, you notice now. You see me? I'll put this chair, like, more. Where do I put her? So that you can see my lips, because I want you to. So remember my birthday party? It was awesome last year, but my birthday's almost coming. It's in 14th of April. And it will take a long, long time. It's in 2014. That's like so a long time ago. I'm so excited for my another birthday party, but it's not my birthday today. My birthday is in like 14th of April, and in 2014. So, you like my container of the slime? Look, it closed. Now, you know what to open it. Do you see this to moon shape pink colored thing? We have to open it like like this. You see this hole? You see this pointing thing? And we close it up like this. Now you know. This slime is so easy to make. I already told that to you. And it's easy to make. I already told you that. It's so soft. You can come and feel it if you want. But you're not allowed to. In a different country. I'm in Australia. Comment if you're in Australia, because some of you are not. And comment what time is it in America and Russia. I don't know which language we have to talk in America and Russia. Because I'm Australian. I can talk Nepali if you want. Say yes or no in the comments below. Oh. I remember I have to do TikTok dance. Because I like TikTok. But I'm too small to do it. But I don't care. I just do TikTok forever because I really, really want you. For just nothing. For nothing. So, okay. let's don't talk. Let's just play with my slime. Guys, I'm bored. I want to talk now. Guys, let's put some lipstick in my slime. So this is my lipstick. Before I wear it, I'm going to wear it in my lips. Oh, that's not right. Wait just a minute. Put my lipstick here. I think I need to choose that. That's okay. I will sweep it with this. I need to go down the little in the table. I'll push my chair more so that I can see clearly. So that not that. So that I can sweep and touch my slime. Do you like my lipstick? So let's put my lipstick on the slime now. Oh, there lipstick in my fingers again. Let's sweep it up. I'm gonna put lipstick one more time because that was an accident. Ooh. Ooh, I can. Oh my gosh, I can make flowers. Oh my god. Let's mix this up. So get an eye test. I don't know why, but my mom said it's good to have eye test. Look, I can see. I don't need glasses. That will make me a creep. That will make me a nerd. No one gonna even listen to me and talk to me. They don't. Okay, I have to get a test. Look, I need to get an eye test. Look, look. So, I'll show you what this is. This is a slime container. I can see it clearly. Look! Look! I'm even seeing at it. I don't even need an eye test. Okay, I'm going to put my lipstick on again. Guess what? I was having boys versus girls challenge, and the boys have to chase us and the girls have to chase boys too. First we did boys versus girls. First the boys have to chase us, and when they chase us, girls versus boys in the second. And the girls have to chase the boys. Guess what? First we did boys versus girls so that boys can chase us. But when this hit me on my leg, it hurts too much. And it even hurts now. It really hurts. I don't know my leg. Ow! That hurts. My two leg hurts. But not really. It just hurt a little bit. I really don't like boys. Some of the boys like trash. You don't even know what trash means. He's my Nepali friend because I talk to him, but he's shy at talking Nepali. He just talks English to me. And Erica, she's my Nepali friend too, but she's a girl. And she's little like Lavina. We don't even know what Lavina means. She's so adorable. And she is so cute and adorable. She's so little. She is a girl. Let's don't talk about girls and boys. Let's finish my... Ooh, masterpiece. Look, I did an A+. This is A+. This is like an A+. But I'm gonna make it really look. You can't even see it. So I'm gonna mix it up because look, it's even more softer when I add the lipstick. I think I have to add more things. I think I'm gonna add some shaving cream. Wait, just here. I'm gonna bring the shaving cream. Whoever subscribes to my video and give me 500 subscribers and a bell button and a big thumbs up, and they will get a prize, which is this nail polish. So this is the nail polish, this is the lip balm, and this is the BFF bracelets, and this is the necklace. There are only one BFF bracelets, so you're just wearing one, and you can't share with your friends. Ooh, 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 I love this slime. It doesn't even break. Whoa. Do you know, guys, I can whistle? You already know that. Okay, I'm not allowed to whistle in here because a snake gonna come. I'm scared a snake gonna come in my whistle. So guys, remember I'm talking about boys and girls. I just want to talk about them. So the boys hit me on the leg and it hurts too much even now. And the boys even hit my girls' team in the leg. It hurts too much. And we tell the teacher. It's a boy, okay? My teacher is Miss V. In my other school, it's gonna be Mr. Calfine. How did I know that? I don't even know anything about everyone. But how do I know my teacher's name when I move in another school? Because my friends told me. Duh. It's baby pie. Cut it nice so. Not sing. I don't want to sing. I always say no singing in the library, but this is not a library. I have a brother, but look at this. Ooh, you couldn't even see me. You can see the slime. I love the slime. Let's move this plate. So you can see my slime. So, oh, remember I'm gonna get the shaving cream. Yeah, I forgot that. So wait just a minute. I'm gonna make my slime fluffy. I was trying to play Among Us. If you know Among Us, download that game. It's very cool. And I play Among Us in school in real life, but don't copy my idea. Okay? Excuse me. So I really love my slime. Do you know my slime how my slime is stretchy? Because of the shaving cream. It's not good texture yet. Ooh, that's bad split. Now we have two, but I don't like it. Oh, look at it. Look. It's so like shiny and glittery. You can see the glitter. I'm being funny. There's shaving cream in my ears now. But shaving cream is good for screen, for our skin. Look. Look. See? Good. Shaving cream is good for our skin. Do you know that? And also aloe vera. Everybody knows that. But shaving cream. Do you know what I said? This is a secret. Don't watch this video, okay? Don't watch this video. It's a secret. Because you guys are not supposed to hear my secret. You know what I say? So you don't hear it. My secret is myself. Cause that's so cool. My secret is all the best. My friend told me my secret is the best. You look at this is like a poop, but it's not. Whoa, you hear that pop? Ah, there's shaving cream, but that's okay. It's good for my skin. Just add a little bit. I don't want to add a lot, or it'll spread around. Ah, this is slime. How does slime green? Wish I had white. What? Well, let's put some lipstick on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is out of. I'm gonna get a little tiny bit and see what happens. Mr. G, Mr. G, Mr. G. Mr. G is not my school teacher. It is not. I'm telling you. I'm not joking or anything. My teacher is Miss V. Whoa, look at that. I spinned it around like so fast, but it worked. I thought it would not work. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's too much. You want to see the stretch? What time it will stop? Tell me, tell me, tell me. It's trying to break. No, it's not. Ah! So I think that's all for my video. So peace, bye.